Come on.
Last night. Frosty?
I have him in there. Just gonna get in the car then.
Okay.
Okay, let's get in the car, Nikki. Be careful when you're going down the steps, okay?
Might be some ice underneath.
You want to hold my hand, or you're going to be okay? Daddy will come back and lock. Let's get in. Here, you want me to hold your hand?
No.
Okay, then
Should I go in the back?
Yeah, go in the back.
1, 2, 3. Wait, it's snowing. Can you help me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I know all of it.
Wow, snowflakes are here.